Good morning students, welcome to class 4. We have already started chapter 8 materials and solution, and we have already discussed about the mixture and its types. Let us recall once again, then we will discuss the other topics like solubility, solute and solvent, etc. So first of all we will see the mixtures. So what do you mean by mixture? Mixtures are two or more substances when mixed together, then it is called mixture. The substances may be solid, liquid or gases. So when these two substances or more than two substances when mixed together but not in definite proportion, then it is called mixture. Mixtures can be divided into two types. First one is homogeneous mixture and the second one is heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixtures are the mixtures in which substances are distributed uniformly. For example, when we mix 1 spoon of sugar into a glass of water, then you can see the sugar particles is dissolved uniformly in the water. So this type of mixture is called homogeneous mixture. It means the substance will be a single unit. Now the examples of homogeneous mixtures are salt water, blood and air. Let us see heterogeneous mixtures. Heterogeneous mixtures are the mixtures where substances are not equally distributed, like sand, water. So in this way we have seen the mixture and its types. Now come to the next point, that is solutions. So what is solution? A solution is formed when particles of a solid completely dissolves in a liquid. Here liquid in which solid dissolves. So in this way, in a solution two substances must be there. One should be solid and another should be liquid. So when one substance completely distributed, completely dissolves, then solution is formed. So in this way, solution is formed when two substances mixed completely, combines completely. Now solution can be divided into two components. The first one is solute and the another one is solvent. Solute are the substances which dissolves and the solvent are the substances in which solute dissolves. So in this way two components are there in a solution, solute and solvent. Now one important point is there for solution is a solution is a mixture, but a mixture is not always a solution. What does it mean? Solution is a homogeneous mixture where substances are distributed uniformly. Then it is a solution. But it is a mixture because two substances are mixed together. But in a mixture, it may be heterogeneous mixtures where substances are not distributed uniformly. So the point is a solution is a mixture, but a mixture is not always a solution. Let us see the definition of solute, solvent and solubility. As we have discussed, in a solution, a minimum two things are there or required. The first one is the substance which dissolves and the another substance in which the other substance dissolves. Here solute are the substance which dissolves. So let us see the definition. The solid or liquid or gas substance that dissolves in a liquid to form a solution. So in a solution, solute mostly is in solid form, but it may be liquid also or gas also. So the solid substance that dissolves in a liquid completely are called solute, and this solute when dissolves in a liquid, then it forms a solution. So solute are the substances that dissolves in a liquid. So the examples of solute are sugar, salt, glucose, etc. You can see sugar, salt, glucose can be dissolved in water completely, and it form a solution. So sugar, salt, glucose are the examples of solute. Now come to solvent. What are solvents? Solvents are the substance in which solute dissolves is called solvent. The solvent must be in liquid form in which solute dissolves. The example of solvent are petrol, water, kerosene, etc. You can see in the water most of the substance can be dissolved. So water is called universal solvent. Similarly, petrol, kerosene also dissolve many substances, especially oily substances. Now come to solubility. Solubility is the property of the solute to dissolve in a solvent. It means the ability of a solute to dissolve in a solvent like water, petrol, kerosene, etc. And this is called solubility. So we have seen solute, solvent, solubility. Solute are the substances that dissolves in a solvent or in a liquid to form a solution. Similarly, solvent are the substances in which solute dissolves to form a solution, and the solubility is the ability or the property of a solute to dissolve in a solvent, and it is called solubility. I hope you have understood the concept of solution, solute, solvent and solubility. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, thank you so much.